Okay.
All right, well, I'm out here with Mark and gonna do a quick unboxing of one more WORX Nitro tool because we need it. We're still working on the drip irrigation project and we're gonna be chopping some wood. So this is our new compound miter chop saw, and it is battery operated, so we're going to be able to take it out and about wherever the projects lead us, and that will be great. So just thought I would do a quick unboxing and show everybody. There it is, miter compound and sliding chop saw by WORX.